It's no secret that everyone loves free stuff. If you want to generate tons of traffic to your website, hosting a blog contest with a free prize is an excellent idea. In fact, businesses that host contests and promotions on social media websites like Twitter and Facebook increase their customer reach substantially. The problem is, setting up promotions and contests is a real hassle, especially if they incorporate numerous social media outlets. And that's why savvy business owners use MyBlurb. With MyBlurb, you can set up a contest or giveaway in less than 5 minutes. In fact, MyBlurb will completely change the way you host online contests. With its state-of-the-art system that makes it easy to manage everything from a single dashboard, organize multiple social media sites, save time and hassle-free. And get this, MyBlurb is free to use. That's right, free. So if you want to use contests and giveaways to increase your business, but don't have time for the hassle of setting them up, join MyBlurb today and do it the easy way. MyBlurb, contests and giveaways made easy.